B3. If the endpoints of the axes are 4, 0, and 0, 5, well, plus and minus 4, 0, and 0 plus and minus 5. Now the endpoints of the axes, those are the vertices, okay? So, remember we said if we had an ellipse, from here to here, whatever the longer one is your A, the shorter one, your major axis, your minor axis. That means that this point right here, at least when we're dealing with the zeros and we're on the top chart, this point would be A0, this point would be negative A0, this point would be 0, B, and this point would be 0, negative B, right? This is if it was at the origin, if its center was the origin. So what I'm saying is one of these are my A and one of these are my B. Remember I told you that A was always the larger number. So between 4 and 5, 5 is the larger number. So this is my A and 4 is my B. If my A is a Y coordinate, okay, then I am on the red side. Hopefully you guys can see up there. Vertices down there. If my A is a Y coordinate here, your vertices. If A is a Y coordinate, then we are underneath the red side. We started with a Y squared, okay? So, that makes it pretty simple. From here, I know that the equation is Y squared plus X squared equals 1. And the denominator of Y squared should be my A squared. Underneath X should be my B squared. Well, if A is 5, then A squared is 25 down here. And if B is 4, then B squared is 16. And that is it. All right. B4, the major axis endpoints are 0 plus or minus 6, and the minor axis length is 8. Again, you'll notice that we haven't even touched the second chart on these. We are still here because I had the zeros. The zeros let me know that my center was 0, 0. The major axis endpoints were 0 plus or minus 6. Again, major is always my A. So that means that this is my A. And it looks just like the last one. All right, if this is my A, the minor axis length, minor always goes with the letter B, but it gave me the length. The length was 2 B's. So that means that B by itself would be 4. Okay, we noticed that the major, the A, was underneath the Y coordinate. It was a Y coordinate, so I started with the Y squared plus X squared equals 1. And I will fill in the denominator here with an A squared. A was 6, so A squared is 36. And down here I need my B squared. B was 4, so B squared is 16. And there's that. All right.